Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to prevent storage sense from deleting downloaded files on Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click System. Click Storage. Click Configure Storage Sense. Change to Never. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.